love the world because dance is filled with love. To dance is an unopened gift I present to my own self. A very, very pleasant and blissful evening to everybody. This is Vidushi Dr. Vishakha Hegde, a proud disciple of Vidushi Srimati Rekha Ashok Hegde, Shantala Natyalaya, filled with joy and pride, and as a matter of fact, honored to be the mistress of ceremony for delivering the deliberations of this evening's event. I take immense pleasure in extending a very, very warm welcome on behalf of Shantala Natyalaya to all the dignitaries, artists, art lovers, parents and my dear friends present here this evening, the 12th of September 2021 for Nritya Vaibhava, the 32nd anniversary celebrations of Shantala Natyalaya Institute, Belagavi, in association with Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Shantala Natyalaya adopts a perfect blend of Tanjavur and Pandanallur styles in imparting training in Bharatnatyam. Apart from Bharatnatyam, this institute also offers intensive training in allied art forms like Carnatic music, Mridangam and folk dances of India, thus spreading the rich culture and heritage of our nation. The institution has produced many historical, mythological and contemporary dance through imitable choreographic skills and creativity of its founder director, Vidushi Srimati Rekha Ashok Hegde. Team Shantala has rendered more than 1,000 programs in classical, semi-classical, folk and contemporary dance forms. Known for its uniqueness in style and nobility in presentation, Shantala Natyalaya has won the acclaim of both the connoisseurs and the public. We shall commence by joining Ritvik Ashok and Nidant Ashok in offering our pranams to Lord Ganesha, the destroyer of all obstacles, and thus pray for the well-being of this program through Ganesha Stuti, Gajavadana Herambha, a very energetic composition of Shri B.V. Karant and the music set by Shri Girish Karnad and choreographed by Vidushi Srimati Rekha Ashok Hegde.
गजवदना हे रंभा विजय ध्वज सतर प्रतिभा 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 गजवदना हे रंभा मूषिक वाहन सर्पभूषण मूषिक वाहन सर्पभूषण मूषिक वाहन
The next item is Kirtana. This dance is about Ardhanarishwara. The word is a combination of three words, Ardha, Nari and Ishwara, meaning half, woman and Lord respectively, that is, Lord Shiva, whose half is a woman, goddess Parvati. The significance of this is that it represents a constructive and generative power that Male and female principals cannot be separated. This dance, being performed by Ritvik Ashok and Shrisha Shetty, depicts the various differences in the way of life of Lord Shiva and Shakti, especially his Tandava and her composed by Vidwan G. Gurumurthy, music by Vidwan Balasubramanya Sharma, and choreographed by Vidushi Rekha Hegde. The dancers performing are from the Vidwat batch, some of the oldest senior-most students of this institute. Anushri Khadbadi, Urvi Shetty, Ramita Koatkar, Samiksha Karant, Dhanya Shetty, Sharvari Vijay Kumar, Shrisha Shetty, and Mansi Chikordi. Varnam.
Chico tum chum chum re ta gum ta re dha na ta ki ta tam chum chum re ta gum dha na chu nu ta ki ta tam chum ta chum re ta gum ta chu nu di mi ta ki ta tam tam ta ta chum thi ta chum tu ta chum nam ta chum ta ca ta thinh na tum chum chum ri ta gum ta thủy thân na ta chiết ta tam chum chum ri ta gum thân na chu nu ta chiết ta tam chum chum ri ta gum chu nu di mi ta chiết ta tam Shri